Starting in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, supreme and powerful. I am Mansoor Hassan, your English teacher at Oxford Education Academy, Batkhela. Afaq News and Series for Class 6th. Lesson number 2, Unit number 2, Chikamungnan Shuruku, True Friends. The day reading Mako. Reading तरीका दादा ची फर्स्ट वजह तासु तो आगे रीडिंग प्ले कम दागे अब तासु पा गौर सरा बोराई हर यो वर्ड खप तवज्जो सरा बोराई दोबारा बे बयान ता प्ले की द आगे सर बर रिपीटिशन कोई ची कम लाइन कम वर्ड्स आगे रीड कीगी तासु दागे सरा रिपीट कोई और थर्ड बया दा स्टेप दे ची बया तासु पखपल बांधे दगा पैराग्राफ दगा लेसन ची कम ने दगा बा रीड की खुद दगा वीडियो ची कम नेक्स्ट दा रीडिंग ने तासु दा बार बार वो रहे जिस कम वर्ड्स पे के न्यू वर्ड्स दी दागे प्रोनाउंसिएशन तासु ता ग्रान दे नो आगा या 10 वर्ड्स दी ची ओल्ड दे तासु दागे प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत करे दे नो आगा प्रोनाउंसिएशन ची कम दे आगा तासु ता क्लियर शो तासु आगा वर्ड्स ची कम दे सही प्रोनाउंस कोई बिया नो दा रीडिंग बार वो रही द दे सर रिपीट कोई और बिया पखपल जानी रीड कोई और खपल मिस्टेक ची कम दे अंडरलाइन कोई द दे सर ची कम वर्ड्स राजी आगा वर्ड्स तासु तो उर्दू मीनिंग न दर्जी या दागे पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच तासु नवी पता आगा वर्ड्स पर पेंसिल बानी अंडरलाइन कोई द दिन बाद बे ची कम दे बिया अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो के मुंगा द दे मीनिंग्स को नो कचिर तासु 10 वर्ड्स ची दागे मीनिंग न दर्जी आगा बिया जमाना ता पोस्ट को लिशी क तासु तो वीडियो के क्लियर निश ओके. Now listen it carefully.
True friends. Once there were 3 friends, a turtle, a crow and a little mouse. They lived in a forest and grew up together. They used to gather every morning near the lake in a cool shady place to spend time together, sharing jokes and discussing problems with each other. Their friendship grew stronger and stronger with the passage of time. One day, when they gathered around the lake and were busy talking, they saw a deer running for life. He came near them and fell on the ground out of exhaustion. The turtle took some water from the lake and sprinkled onto him. After a few minutes, the deer regained consciousness and told them that he was running to save himself from a hunter. The crow flew above the trees immediately and checked whether the hunter was coming or not. He returned and assured the deer that the hunter had gone away. The deer thanked them a lot for their help. From that day on, the deer also became their good friend. They would spend their time happily together. However, one morning the deer did not reach the lake. They became worried for the deer. The crow flew through the forest looking for the deer. He found that the deer was caught in a hunter's net. He told the deer not to be afraid and promised to return soon with other friends to save his life. He flew back to his friends quickly and explained the whole story. They got upset too. We can't let him die alone. Let's go and help him. Then they planned an idea to set him free. The crow carried the mouse on his back and took to that spot. There they found the helpless deer caught in the net. The mouse started to nibble the net slowly and steadily. The turtle also reached there. The deer thought to himself, "What wonderful friends I have. All of them have come to help me in my difficult time." Soon the deer was free of the trap. The crow, who was hovering over a tree, alerted everyone that the hunter was approaching towards them. The mouse rushed into a hole. The deer got up and ran away speedily. Only the poor turtle was left behind. He could not find any safe place to hide. When the hunter arrived, he was surprised to see his torn net. He became annoyed and noticed the turtle. Then he picked up the turtle, tied him on his bough and disappeared into the forest. They three friends came out from their hiding places when the hunter had left that place. They became sad for their dear friend. They thought of another plan to get the turtle back. A wonderful idea struck the deer's mind. As the hunter was walking along the lake, he caught sight of a dead deer lying on his way. He put the turtle down. He thought that it might be a lucky day for him and he would catch a deer. He moved towards the deer. When he came close to the deer, the crow called and, to the hunter's surprise, the deer got up and ran away. The hunter could not believe his eyes. He turned around and saw that the turtle was no longer there. The mouse had cut the strings while the hunter had gone towards the deer and the turtle disappeared into the waves of the lake. The helpless hunter was left crying with no catch. The friends thanked each other for being always there. They were happy about their safe escape and promised never to leave each other. They realized that true friends are a great treasure.